Who are you? And what can I do for you?
Your Majesty, I am Saif Ali, a farmer.
Go on.
I've led a very simple life, earning very little money. I was living happily with my wife until 6 months back, when she expired.
I'm very sorry to hear about that. Please continue.
After my wife's death, I was feeling completely lost and didn't know what to do with my life. We never had any kids, and I was feeling real lonely. I then met Qazi Abdullah one day.
Saif Ali, why do you look so lost and depressed?
You know, Qazi Sahib, I lost my wife a few days back, and I don't feel like living anymore.
Come, you shouldn't be speaking like that. God moves in mysterious ways. You shouldn't give up on life like that. You have worked hard all your life. Why don't you go on a pilgrimage? With God's blessing, you shall find a new will to live life more meaningfully.
Yes, Qazi Sahib, you're right. That's what I shall do. I'll go on a pilgrimage, and then God will help me decide what I should do with the rest of my life. Thank you so much. I went home and started preparing for the pilgrimage, but while I lay on the bed that night, I started wondering what I should do with my life savings. Where should I leave it? Who could I trust with the money? Then I thought of Qazi Abdullah. I thought I could easily trust Qazi Sahib with the money. So I went to his place the next day and requested him to keep my money until I came back from the pilgrimage.
Saif Ali, I shall certainly keep this bag of money for you, but please seal it in front of me so that you can be sure it hasn't been opened when you come back and reclaim it.
So I sealed the bag in front of him, and he accepted the bag. I returned from the pilgrimage yesterday after deciding to spend the rest of my days teaching children about religion and God. I thought I'll survive on the money I have saved all my life and went to Qazi Sahib to retrieve the bag of my money.
I am glad you have decided to spend the rest of your life educating kids about religion and the teachings of the Holy Quran. Here, I have kept your money safe for you. Please check it if the seal has been broken.
Thank you very much, Qazi Sahib, for looking after my money. The seal is intact. I thank you once again. Oh, my God. How can this happen? Where are my gold coins?
What happened, Saif Ali? You need some guidance about teaching kids? How come you're back again?
Qazi Sahib, when I opened the bag of money I took from you at home, I was shocked to see only a few stones in it instead of the gold coins I had kept in it.
What do you mean? Did you open the bag and show it to me when you kept it with me? No. Didn't you put the seal on the bag yourself? Didn't you check it again yourself when you collected it from me yesterday? So how dare you come here and question me about the bag?
Qazi Sahib, please don't do this to me. It's my life savings. How am I to survive in my old age without the money?
How dare you accuse me of stealing? Get out of my sight right now, or I'll have you arrested for trying to blackmail me and tarnishing my name and position. Get out!
I had no other choice but to come to you, Your Majesty, for justice. Only you can get me my money back. Only you have the power over such a high official as the Qazi.
Birbal, what do you think? Do you think you can find out the truth in this matter?
Your Majesty, I would like to know a little more. Do you have the bag of money with you? Your Majesty, I need a little time to get to the truth of this matter. May I have a couple of days?
Sure, Birbal. In the meantime, Saif Ali, you can stay in one of our guest houses. But if we find out that you are lying, we shall send you to prison as our guest for a very long time.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I give you my word. I spoke the truth and nothing but the truth.
Sevakram,
Yes, sir.
Sevakram, this is one of my favorite dresses and there seems to be a tear in it. Could you find the best darner or tailor in the city to mend it for me? The repair should be so good as to hide the tear and the repair completely.
Certainly, sir. I shall leave right now and go to the bazaar and make inquiries. I think I shall find a good darner who could do the job.
No, Sevakram, I don't want a good darner. I want the best. Make sure you ask for the best one in the city. It's perfect. I can't make out there was a tear in it. And the repair is so clever too, one can't find it easily. Tell me, who did this job for you?
Sir, there is a darner named Gopal who did this job for me. I asked a lot of people and they all suggested his name to me.
Good. Please go and ask him to come and meet me here, as I want to get some more garments repaired.
Birbal, have you been able to find out the truth in Saif Ali's matter? Or do you need some more time?
Your Majesty, I have found out the truth. Would you please send for both Saif Ali and Qazi Abdullah, please? I shall then place the facts in front of you, Your Majesty.
Sure, Birbal. Guards, escort Saif Ali and Qazi Abdullah to the court immediately.
Saif Ali, are you sure this is the same bag that you kept with Qazi Abdullah?
Yes, sir. That is my bag.
Qazi Sahab, do you recognize this bag?
Yes, it looks like the same bag. And the seal is mine. It's broken now, of course. But the seal was placed by him, and then he checked it once again when he collected the bag from me. It hadn't been broken. I didn't even see what was inside the bag. He claims it was gold coins. How do I know, Your Majesty? He could easily be lying.
Please call for Gopal the Dana.
Gopal, please enter the court.
Tell us, Gopal, did you do a job recently for Qazi Abdullah?
Yes, Your Majesty. Qazi Abdullah wanted me to mend a bag of his, which had torn.
Your Majesty, Qazi Abdullah should be punished as he tore open Saif Ali's bag and then removed the money from it. He asked Gopal to mend the bag after replacing the money with stones. He's a liar and a cheater.
Your Majesty, please forgive me. I got greedy. I shall never err again. Please forgive me this time.
How could you do something like this? You hold an important position. People look up to you for guidance and support, and you go around cheating them? No, you shall not be forgiven. I sentence you to 1 year's imprisonment. Guards, arrest this man. Saif Ali, don't worry. You shall have your money back. And I would like to be a part of the good work that you are doing. So I shall have a small school built for you where you can teach the kids about God and religion. Go on, and God bless.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you, Raja Birbal.
Birbal, so your eagle eye and intellect have once again helped catch a thief and a fraud. How did you suspect the Qazi's clever act?
Your Majesty, when I heard Saif Ali say that the Qazi asked him to seal the bag and then check it while taking it back, I understood that the money inside was removed in some other clever way. So I looked at the bag very closely and noticed the repair in it. After that, it was just a matter of finding the best dana in the city, Your Majesty.
Bravo, Birbal, bravo. You have outdone yourself again. Bravo.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.